Hello and welcome at this Bitcoin Exocharts tutorial. We will have a look on two situations which we traded in the group for the past 2 days, yesterday and today. Also, these situations you will see will happen many times in the future. You will see very similar results because this is how Orderflow work. And also it will help you to understand how you can predict market and see potential what market might do, especially if you have really big offside traders getting trapped, yes. So let's have a look on those situations. So first of all, yesterday we dropped into our support area here with naked daily market structure. And we started really pushing up. But what was more important as we are pushing down, by the way, we are missing data here for 1 day. But this is not so important. I will show you also other exchanges. So on the move to the downside, we've seen 1,800 Bitcoin shorts in this area. Look at this delta, yeah. Overall volume, there was 90 million delta, huge shorts here, yes. Aggressively pushing down. So we dropped a little bit further, but as soon as you trap them, this is in my eyes becoming big Orderflow support area, because those are really substantial, shorts trapped. It's like 40 million, right? So when we, I was telling in the group, I plan to trade this Orderflow support area because these people need to get out. They will cause pressure on the market, right? If they need to get out, or even if they don't, other market participants can view they are seeing them and they want to squeeze them. So they will be placing some orders in front of them. Sometimes I trade these Orderflow zones as a limit. Sometimes I trade it as market. If it's really massive size, I have some limits as well. So you see what happened after we are pushing up nicely. We've got long here, we trap them. This is also a sign of power in the market, because if big traders enter, they are protecting entries, and if you go over them, it means they lost power. There is high likelihood we will go over them. That's what happened. But in the end, we've got this is the start of the zone. So I marked it on my chart actually as the start of the zone, and I was trading. I was happily scalping whole zone. I had some limits, I had some market orders here. In the end, beautiful bounce, over 1% in total from the market structure zone. But I also said once we get them like comfortable and we start to go below them, that is also signal the market is strong in shorts, and the longs higher, which we had like longs from higher as well, will more likely to be puked out. But you see power. So Orderflow support and resistance is really powerful when it's happening the same session. This is best because the open interest is still there, these guys are in the positions. So let's have a look here. Yes, this is how I marked the zone in the group. So we were waiting. You can see that clearly here because it was missing there. But this was our Orderflow support zone, but other exchanges, they had a lot of longs at the top, yeah? So once, that was the risk which we needed to know. There is potential once you trap these longs here on Bybit. Let me zoom out over here as well. And you had also Tether. So both Bybit pairs had a lot of longs in this last leg move up here, yeah? So once you trap them and you untrap these people, the possibility of moving down was very high, and you can see that on our Tradinglite template as well. Look at this delta. So there was massive selling, right? We break over many walls. But what happened again? The same situation repeated here. So you don't even need to watch Exo. You can see it also from the open interest as well. So we have massive selling here. We are heading down. The open interest is increasing massively. Look how much we added. We've added like almost 3,000 shorts, 3,000 shorts in this move down. And once you go over and trap these people, what is happening again? First of all, there is a high chance you will squeeze them as they are trapped. And that's what happened here. There was some big squeeze of these people. Look here, really big open interest decrease. But also on other hand, not all the people, because you push up, not all people from here are closing. Some shorts from higher are also closing. So you can assume there will be still trap traders here. So you want to, if it's big Orderflow zone, again, do same thing as we did yesterday. I plan to trade this zone. Yes, that's why I outlined in the group. And what happened here? We've got wick, and we've got wick exactly into the trapped orders area. And this was our, of course, you can identify it more precisely with our volume point of control was here. Yes, it was like 0.5 fib, so you add a technical analysis over it. But I was literally saying in the group I expect weak. But why I expect weak? Again, it was order flow. So let's go to, we will go to Bybit. Let's go over here. Indeed, so this was our push up here, you saw, and again I'm seeing some heavy longs on inverse pair. So once you started go down, I expected we will, because we trapped them, they puked out pretty early here, but then they gave us the week into the order flow support area from Binance. Okay, that's how you, because some days will be muted for you. You will not see such a huge offside traders which can be trapped, but some days will be like this, and those are really easy trades to take. Now you puke these people, but you went into the trapped area from Binance, and I'm looking for longs. I filled some limit, I filled some market as well, and again I'm getting beautiful trade here. Yeah, so that was fantastic, and in the end you've got shorts here which you also try to squeeze, and that was inverse pair, and now we have Bybit. Let's have a look. Yes, there were also some longs in that leg move up, but in the end we stopped again on the Binance. Yeah, so you watch those important exchanges. You also have some shorts here. You see we just puked them, okay, and now it's giving us local top. So everything, order flow is absolute key you need to master. And when you see that on the chart, look here. Again, we arrived to the start of the order flow. There is still more juice left, so even if you go lower, there is still more trap people lower, you know it. Because there are situations when you don't have trap traders here, the open interest is decreasing here. Yes, as you pushed up, as you push down, open interest down. That's really scary zone because you don't have trap traders. They will not help you with the trades. This is raising your chances, you know, to be high probability trade, and especially on first touch, yeah, right? Because these people need to get out. Market participants can see that, yeah. In the end, beautiful trade, another big winner. So please learn these situations well, and you will be able to predict market with potential. And also, of course, I combine Exocharts with Tradinglite as well, because, for example, here there was change of character for the boost, heavy spoofing, so it's time to take profit. Market didn't even want to go higher. Yes, it was like ready to spoof market down or just absorb any pain wick. And same situation happened again. So we are in this order flow scalp from here, yes. And Asia traders utilize that as well, because when you trap those people, it was more pain for them. But also the Tradinglite is showing you. Look at this. The massive spot wall is keeping us all day today. Yes, real or not, there is psychological impact on the market. So yes, I hope it was clear. We will have many trades like this in the future. I will keep posting them, but and I hope it was useful for you guys. So thank you for watching, and see you in the group. Bye.